Welcome to Ratio1 Talks. We are here today with Andrei, Petrica, Vitalii, and Bleo, and we have quite some things to discuss today. First off, we want to congratulate, I think, Andrei. As you saw today's message, he talked at the Clinical Research Summit. And maybe you can open up with that a little bit, Andrei. How was that experience, and how was the reception to what you said there?
First of all, it's very important to point out that this initiative is part of our series of initiatives to partner with other companies, with big European companies. In the healthcare, in the cybersecurity, and in the fintech industries. So this was the first Romanian summit for clinical research, and basically we had all the big players present currently in Romania, from the big audit consultancy companies such as KPMG, Ernst & Young, to big pharma companies such as Roche, Pfizer, and others. And of course, we had the governmental bodies that are ruling over education, healthcare, patient protection, consumer protection, and other similar aspects. The whole idea of the research, clinical research consortium, clinical research conference was to discuss the challenges that not only Romania but other countries are facing when it comes to centralization of the clinical research. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you are not aware of the fact that there is a concept of decentralized clinical trials. And this was the main subject that I discussed in my panel together with all the others, CEOs and company representatives. And when I'm talking about decentralized clinical trials, we're not talking about decentralized technology, about decentralized like blockchain, decentralized compute, decentralized storage. Decentralized clinical trials, if you want, it's a concept similar to decentralized computing, but applied to healthcare. So instead of having a very powerful governing body, such as a very big pharma company, you have that, of course, does the whole process of clinical trials, the whole process of interacting with the patients in one or several central sites. You interact with the patient on location, on edge, if you want. You interact with the patient in their, with each individual patient in their own locations. So this, of course, poses a lot of technological, methodological, and also regulatory problems, such as what devices are you allowed to employ in the decentralized clinical trial process, what data can you collect, how do you deliver the treatment, how you deliver the drugs, do you need doctors to be present on site, on edge, right, in situ, or do you need maybe telemedicine approaches, like delivering the drugs, delivering the treatment via wireless medical devices, and so on. And this is the point where decentralized systems come into play, because the decentralized systems, and particularly decentralized systems that combine both blockchain technology as well as decentralized compute, decentralized storage, decentralized AI, and decentralized processing like we have, can greatly aid the process of decentralized clinical trials. The healthcare related and the healthcare-based process of decentralized clinical trials. Meaning you have on-edge compute, meaning you have distributed power. So that can be done with Ratio1. The processing can be done with Ratio1 on edge. The processing can be done without any kind of censorship. And all of these are basically 100% matches with the technology and the applications and the frameworks that Ratio1 is currently at this moment providing.